Hello friends, now let us see the K-map for POS form, or starting with a special case, that is your standard POS form. Let's have an example. Suppose a Boolean function f a b c d is given in POS form, standard POS form, like this: pi 0 1 3 6 8 12 and 15. With some don't care condition, let us suppose we include the don't care conditions also at 2, 7 and 10. Okay, so we know that these terms here represent max term. All these are max terms, and these are your don't care terms. So for each of these max term, insert a 0 in respective cell. Okay, whereas for this don't care terms, for these don't care terms, insert either X or D that represents a don't care. So starting the solution, here we have to insert a 0 for each max term, that is 0 0 0 6 0 0 at 8, 0 at 12 and 0 at 15, with don't care conditions at 2, 7 and 10. Okay, so now here we have to form the grouping of zeros. So one group is largest possible group we have to form with the help of don't cares if possible. Then first largest possible group is this one. Second largest possible group is this one. Third largest possible group is with corners. So that this 0 is included. And the fourth is group of two cells for this 0, this particular 0, and this can be bind or form grouping of two cells with the help of this don't care. Okay, now writing the mean term for each of these groups. First, that is because we have to write down the mean term, we have to write down the max terms for each of these groups. So here 0 0, that is a plus b, because a is equals to 0, b is equals to 0, that's why a plus b here. Second group is this one, The max term for this group will be, because A is constant, so A has value 0, that's why A, and second C is constant with value 1, so C bar. Third group is this one, that is B is constant, so B, okay, and for this group D is constant, so we have to write D with 0 here, that's why we have to write D. And for this group of two cells, here if we see row wise, A is constant with value 1, that's why we have to write A bar C plus T, and for this group A is constant, sorry, B is constant, so B bar plus C bar plus T bar. So the given function, that is this one, this function, will be equal to, you can write its minimized expression as A plus B for first group, that is this one, then A plus C bar for this group, then multiply B plus D for this particular group, then A bar plus C plus D for this particular group, and lastly B bar plus C bar plus D bar for this particular. Okay, so this will be the final POS form representation of minimized expression.